each province has a certain number of learners who have their own research projects, and basically the best of those learners from each province gets chosen to come to a coastal city hosted, an event hosted by SAEON at a coastal city around South Africa, where each learner will be presenting their project and prizes will be given to first, second and third.
My experience being here has been so exciting. I've met different people. I was a little bit scared and nervous when I was presenting my project, but when I started seeing smiles, I was perfect and on the run with my project. And I'm hoping to inspire more people to come to SAEON, because Blue School has always been the perfect thing for ocean experimentation and also making of projects. So I created a natural low-cost filter which is called Copper Catcher, which is a natural ocean purification where I use crushed seashells to purify copper-contaminated water.
One of the key things that is required from learners is for them to be critical thinkers, to be able to analyze data, to search information, to be able to collaborate. So in my projects now, I ensure that I challenge my learners to use all those skills that I've gained from being part of this initiative. Now, in this partnership, learners are collaborating, asking questions, speaking to professors, and to try to understand the equipment that was used and to understand patterns. They've also learned how to use applications.
Inspired by my sister, who did hers, I think last year, about Lake Gqeberha's water levels, I thought that maybe I can do it on the water quality of Lake Gqeberha. After the SAEON team have helped me coming back with all the data gained and recorded, I started on with my science project and completed it.
My Blue School experience has been a wonderful experience, trust me, because onto the plane for the first time, traveling from Venda here to Gqeberha on a plane, which was really exotic and exciting. I'm learning more about the ocean, like oceans under threat from pollution, not forgetting that there are plastics that are affecting our ocean quality.
I would encourage any learner or any school to be part of it, because it changes the overall view of the learner, the learning, and also education as a whole.